Hi ma'am, good day. I am Maria Mercy Martir, 48 years old, married, from Bago City, Negros Occidental, Philippines, and Filipino. I have only son, 25 years old, boy. I have 9 members of the family, 5 brothers and 3 sisters, and I am the 4th. I have worked in Hong Kong for 14 years with 4 employers. My current employer are 2 adults and 3 kids, and I've been with them for 10 years and 5 months. I can cook Chinese recipe, the healthy food like steamed fish, steamed chicken, stir fry pak choy, choy sam, kailan, green beans with beef, mushroom with beef, chicken with honey, shrimp with vermicelli and garlic, short soup, long soup, etc. I am not afraid any all kinds of animal. To my future employer, I can be a good helper, hardworking, trustworthy, honest, patient, and passionate about my work. Thank you and God bless.